my family,
Karen.
Torres and Lopez family, Milton family,
Oh.
everyone else I know out there.
Karen.
Wow!
Oy. Karen.
What's that? Where you from?
From Norway.
Norway, that's right. So, Emmet, that's Emmet, Norway. Emmet. No, you were born in Norway. Your mom is in,
Karen.
how do you call it? Norwegian. And your dad is?
Karen si
Where's your dad?
Outside in Manila eating with his driver.
Outside in Manila, eating with your driver.
Yeah, eating with his driver.
Outside the studio?
Yeah.
How did it? So, outside the studio.
Yeah.
He came here with you.
Yeah, I just came here. And,
Okay. What is it that you joined?
well,
Ay!
pretty much it's for experience and exposure and, yeah, another moment in life I will never forget.
Wow, thank you very much. You have any questions?
Takot ka ngayon, no? Tulog lang. Uy, ayun yun. Let's go, G. Let's go, G.
But before the performance, you want to say also one special. Your dad outside eating with the driver.
I already did earlier.
You have a boyfriend?
It's kind of complicated. Well, in Norway we're kind of liberated, so...
Norway.
No, hindi ka pa. Gago. No. Kala mo, kataputan mo. Ano, nasa kayo din dyan. Bahala ka. Pataya ka ni Kuchi. Tama na. Bitaw na si Kuchi. Tuuna si Kuchi. Tuuna. Kawawa na si Kuchi.
To being independent and having to take care of myself.
Chi.
I want to introduce to everyone my beautiful and the nicest mom in the whole wide world.
Yung nagawa kay Kuchi. Tayo na din tayo. Bakit bukas wala tayo kakainin mga katangin? Oh, may salamin yun. Kagat.
Nasaktan niyo si Kuchi.
You've been here for dito na ba kayo nag-stay, mami? O nakasyon na?
Ending mo na.
1 year. Kasi naaral yung tatlong bata. Magtuloy yung so,
Karen.
tayo matapos na sa tali. Pabalik lang sa Norway.
Kapatid niya bumula.
Dito lang mo siya mag-aaral. Pero, bakit? Okay na dito.
Hindi mo tigay yung Kuchi.
I really want to work in Norway because the payment and stuff is higher, and then here it's hard to get a work here. Like, you have to be really, really, really smart and all of that stuff. In Norway, it's like, if you do have a talent, if you get a job in
Pagating ka niyan. Pagating ka niyan. Tignan mo.
the greatest grade on earth because like everything
Kakaligo lang yan.
instead of like working yourself
Ganun
out
to, binubok din si Kuchi.
just because you want a good work.
Hello. Hindi, ano lang yun? Ay. Kaya nasasaktan eh. Ano, kala mo kataputan mo lang, ano?
maraming so,
Ano, kala mo kataputan mo na, ano? Lugod ka kayo. Pwede ba ba ako, Nay?
aral mabuti. We
Yan,
are proud
man.
of you.
Kulo mo
We
naman eh.
love you very much.
Huwag mo ikaw, ba't magagalit yan? Ay.
Sige mo lang sabi ng mga maraming isda.
Tayo na, anak, bili. Naku, drama naman. Ako, alam siya, pinagkakalitan ng...
Smart girl.
Ang laki ng David na mulag ko eh. Okay.
Sa tingnan, no?
Nakasakit pa ng mukha, oh.
Din ako, din ako.
God, ako, hindi ka na daw pwede pumunta dito.
Huwag pa iyak gago.
Yan mo.
Hindi na naabot yung pilit eh.
Pwede pumunta.
Alam mo si mama, paano mo si mama?
Tangulo.
Alam mo si mama, Billy?
Palayan si
Malo.
Dito, light na uwi
Ate, paano mo si mama? Alam mo, Billy, dalo. Malo.
Bad. Turo mo na naman. Turo mo na naman.
Yan yun. Si away sa'yo na. Turo mo. Turo mo away sa'yo na. Billy, nasaan? Turo mo.
Ay, umuwi ka na daw, sabi ni Lola. Sunod daw dito pupunta, inaaway mo daw si Puchi. Gagalit kayo.
Sabi mo kailangan, sorry.
Lola.
I'm sorry for being stubborn because
Anong drama? Hanggang mamaya, ganyan yan.
I go for it because
Hindi
that's
maganda.
what I think is right. I know I should listen
Uy,
more
naku.
often.
Ako na, tignan nga natin ang tatay ko.
Some of your decisions have been right the whole time.
Kato ka dyan.
I was one thing na mahal kita. Salamat.
Yes, nakakaway ka rin dyan.
Agad
nga siya.
I guess I'll say I love you too, Dad. Even if you're not here for me right now, it's okay.
How about your complicated boyfriend?
Kaya mo siya.
Ha? Okay. Okay, naman natin, Mami. Para maging masaya naman siya, Jocelyn. Anong gusto ko sabihin?
Sorry for being stubborn. I'm a really stubborn person, and I know that. And I know that a lot of what I did.
Ayoko, di ko maintindihan. Sabi, nabuti ko ilong ko eh.